Good day and welcome to Rock, Paper, Scissors, Lizards, Fashion and Evolutionary Game Theory. So rock, scissors, paper is a game, and it's a game for 2 players. And in this game, each player has 3 possible strategies, and the strategies are rock, scissors and paper. And in this game, rock wins against scissors, so rock wins against scissors, but scissors win against paper, and paper wins against rock. So if I play rock and you play scissors, then I win. Now imagine a population. So there are lots of people in this population, and you see some of them are playing rock, some of them are playing scissors, and some of them are playing paper. So that's the type of people they are. Some people are rock people and they play rock. Now we can say, if we look at this population, we say, well, if people in this population, they walk around and they bump into other people and then they play the game. They play rock, paper, scissors against them. So a rock person walks around and when he meets someone, he plays rock against them. So if he bumps into a paper person, he will lose. And we can ask, who is most successful in this society? And the answer, in this case, for the society I've shown you, is paper. Why? Well, the reason is that there are many rock players in this society, and paper does very well against rock. Paper beats rock. So when there are many rock players, paper does very well. Similarly, when there are many rock players, then scissors does very badly, so the scissors players do the worst in this society. Now, as the paper player is doing best, he's going to have more children and will spread throughout the society. So there are more and more paper players in the society. Now that there are many paper players, we can ask the question again, who is most successful? Who's going to be most successful? And the answer now is scissors, because scissors beats paper. Now that scissors is the most successful, the number of scissors players will grow as scissors players have more success and more children. But when there are many scissors players in the population, then rock is going to become the most successful type of player. And then the number of rock players will grow in the population. And we'll get back to where we started. So if there's a lot of rock players, then that's good for paper players. But if there's a lot of paper players, that's good for scissors players. But if there's a lot of scissors players, that's good for rock players. So we cycle with the number of rock players increasing, then the number of paper players increasing, then the number of scissors players increasing, then the number of rock players increasing again. Now let's meet a friend. So this is Uta stansburiana, the side-blotched lizard. Now if you look closely at the picture of this lizard, you'll see he has a blue throat. A blue throat. So let's color that blue. Now the men of this species have 3 different colors of throat. So there's 3 different types of men. There's blue, there's orange, and there's yellow. And these types differ in their mating strategies. So the orange lizards have many girlfriends and a lot of land. The blue lizards have only one girlfriend, but they take good care of her. And the yellow lizards are sneaky, and they specialize in stealing other people's girlfriends. So, just like when there were different types of players playing rock, paper, scissors, we can ask who is most successful in this society. And in this case here, the answer is the yellow lizard. And why is this? Well, it turns out that the sneaky yellow lizards are very good, they're very successful when there are many orange lizards in the population. So the yellow lizards do well when there are many orange lizards, and then the number of yellow lizards will increase. But when there are many yellow lizards, it turns out that blue lizards do well, so the number of blue lizards will increase. But when there are many blue lizards, it turns out that the orange lizards do well, so the orange lizards increase. And again, we have a cycle from orange to yellow to blue to orange, just like rock, paper, scissors. And we can also think in this way. We can think of populations that change their strategies and populations of players who have different types. We can think of this in other contexts as well. So one context is fashion. So here we have three different types of people. We have a fashion leader who likes to always wear things that are different to other people. We have followers. These are players who like to follow the leader and wear the same thing that the leader is wearing. And finally, we have this type of person who just likes to do whatever is most popular, who likes to follow whoever is most popular in the population. So if many people are wearing something, they also want to wear it. They want to wear the most popular fashion. So let's say the fashion leader decides to wear a red and black striped dress. Well, the followers, the people who like to follow the leader, will see that the leader is wearing a red and black striped dress, and they will copy her. After this happens, the people who like to do the most popular thing will realize that, well, red and black striped dresses are the most popular outfit, but we are not wearing red and black striped dresses. So they will change what they're wearing so that they're also wearing red and black striped dresses. And, well, what will happen now? Well, the fashion leader will now be quite unhappy because she is no longer unique. She doesn't stand out because everybody else is wearing the same thing that she's wearing. So she will change what she's wearing. So here she's changed to a green polka dot dress. And of course, then the whole process is going to start again, right? People will copy her. The majority will, so the people who want to follow the most popular fashion will follow the majority until everybody wears green polka dot dresses, and then it'll start again. And there'll be another cycle. And then there'll be another cycle. And it'll keep going. You'll have this dynamic process of people changing and updating their strategies depending on what other people are doing. And it keeps going. As the fashion leader says here, quoting The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, "So we beat on, boats against the current, borne back ceaselessly into the past." Thanks very much for listening, and take care of yourself.